This trailer is actually fairly new. However, it needs some repairs, modifications, and a couple of upgrades. A little backstory, this got stolen. It had some equipment inside of it that obviously didn't come back with the trailer. The trailer ended up getting dumped on the side of the road. Everything was stripped. So we've got to replace all the stuff that was stripped off of it. All right, first things first, getting this jack reinstalled. I ordered all these parts off Amazon. There'll be links in the description. Chain loops to put on there. I'm going to go ahead and redeck this and repaint it. So let's get started on that. I thought there was a cross member there. There's not. This is why I'm going ahead and replacing this stuff. So, could this trailer have lasted another couple of, maybe a year or 2 seasons? Probably. But there are several spots, especially up front, that were in really bad shape. Check this out. So this is supposed to be welded to the frame right here. Oh, I can feel the weld, so the weld remnant is right there. So this thing, well, I'm gonna have to loosen that bolt up, spin this around and weld it back on this. But it should look like that, welded to the frame. But there's one more thing I gotta fix. I'm really glad I caught that. That could have been pretty dangerous going down the road. It is time to weld everything on so we can get this baby ready for paint. While I'm waiting for my other machine to cool down because I pushed it too hard, we'll go ahead and do some TIG welding. So we're going to go ahead and pull the tires off of here and start putting the masking tape on and get the shop set up so we can go ahead and throw a coat of black paint on this thing. So I have created a mini paint shop inside of my shop. It's like 26 degrees outside, so obviously I can't paint outside. The first go around is actually just gonna be rattle can, Rust-Oleum, heavy rust primer. All right, well, everything is set up and ready to actually paint the primary color, which is black in this case. You guys will get to see me set the gun and then spray one panel, and then I'm gonna have to kick you out because I don't want to ruin the camera. We are using Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Protective Enamel Oil Based. We're gonna thin this with paint thinner. Now we carefully pour. So at about 6-7 inches away, which is about the hand width, you should get an equal spray pattern about that high. That's all there is to it. Well, I've wrapped up the painting. Turned out very nice, but at this point it is time to do the wiring.
I just ran out of wire. Finish up the weld where we can throw some paint on here. Time to throw the tires back on here. Got on Amazon and ordered up 2 new tires on the rims or wheels. There'll be a link in the description. There we go, spare tire mounted. Well, this is gonna wrap this project up and got it ready for how I'm gonna use it, which will probably be for wood processing and firewood. Overall, it was a fun project. I learned a lot. I had never really rebuilt a trailer of this style before. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you got a lot out of this. And until next time, thanks for watching.